This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, done. So last class we started with the data types. So what is a data type means already we know. What type of data we are storing, that is called as a data type. Yes, good morning everyone. That is a data type. So at the time of data types, there are two types are available there. How many types? Two types are there. One is static data type. Second one is the dynamic data type. Static data type means already we know. Being a programmer, starting itself only explicitly we can decide a data type that is called as a static data type. Whereas in case of the dynamic data type, I don't know the what type of data I am storing. I know just at the time of storing, it will be decided. PVM will be decided. That is called as the dynamic data type. So at the time of dynamic, again two categories are there. Fundamental data types, and the second one is collection data types. So fundamental data types means if you want to store a single value, then I can go for fundamental data types like A10, B20, C30. That is called as a fundamental data types. So what is the collection means? Multiple objects into a single entity, that is called as a collection data type. Here again multiple categories are there: integer, float, bool, complex, and str. So already we decided integer. We discussed about this one. So integer means a equal to 10. That is called as a integer. A equal to 10. What is the type of a? Type of a is 10. Already we discussed this. So in Python, remember everything is one object only. A equal to 10 means 10 is one object. A is pointing to that one. If object is available, compulsory class should be available. Without class, there is no chance of object. You can ask type of A, class int. Why class int? Integer is a class type. Because of 10 is a one object. Whenever object is available, compulsory it is available there. Suppose if I am given A equal to 20, then what happened? 10 is not replaced with 20. Okay, with that 20, another object will be created. Observe that is carefully. Remember these things. Sir, first observe. How internally working means everyone is telling that first 10 object is created. Okay. What is the reference? A. A is pointing to my 10. Sir, now if I am given A equal to 20, what will happen means, sir, that 10 is not replaced with the 20. Don't assume that. Okay. Whatever the changes you are done, with that one more new object will be created. What is my new object? 20. Now this A is removing this and A is pointing to the 20. So 10 is not replaced. Don't think that 10 replaced with the 20. No, with the 20 new object will be created. Now A is pointing to that 20. This story also I will tell later on some. Okay. Now what is the value of A? 20. So that is the first part. Already we discussed about these things, integer part. Now voice వినిపించట్లేదా? Hello, remaining guys, everyone clear? Voice వినిపిస్తుందా? Yeah, everyone is okay. Deepti, can check your system. Yeah, everyone telling yes. Deepti, maybe in our machine some problem is there. Again you can reconnect. Yeah, everyone is telling clear. Please check once your system, or maybe net connection. Again you can reconnect, Deepti. Sir, now. Sir, now this is the integer type. Now again, at the time of integer, whatever the ways are there. four ways are there: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Decimal means already we know base 10. Whatever the valid digits, 0 to 9. How to give? Directly you can give the values. That is the. What about binary? Base 2. And whatever the valid digits are there, 0 and 1 only. How to represent it? 0 small b or 0 capital B. What about octal? Base 8. Now, whatever the valids, 0 to 7. How to give? 0 small o or 0 capital O. Hexadecimals, base 16. And how to represent it? 0 to 9, comma A to F. How to represent it? 0 small x, 0 capital X. That is already we discussed in our Sunday class. Next, one more concept I explained: base conversions. Base conversion means one type to another type, means decimal to binary, binary to decimal, those things. Whatever the functions, three functions we discussed: bin, OCT, HCX. Bin means any type to binary will be converted. Any type to the binary. OCT means any type to the octal. And any type to hexadecimal. Those are called as a base conversion functions. Next, float value. So what is the use of the float? If I want to store a value f equal to 1.23, that is the float value. Sometimes a large value will be represent short format f equal 1.2 E3. E means 10 to the power of base 3. Suppose same like that f equal to 1.2 capital E3, that is also same. That is the float. Boolean means only two values are available, true and false. Only true are available. True represented internally 1, false represented internally 0. That is the Boolean types. Check here. F equal to 1.2, type of F. F float. F equal to 1.2 E3. Yes, it is also valid. Exponential format. Float. What is the value of F? 12,000 dot. F equals to 1.2 capital E3. Yes, it is also valid. Then F equal to true, type of A, Boolean, true and false. And true plus true. True means 1, true means 1, 1 plus 1, 2. True minus false, 1 minus 0, 1. So true internally represented with 1, false internally represented with the 0. Now, sir, up to here in our Sunday class, we discussed static data types, dynamic, integer, base conversions, and these things. Perfect. Now, next data type, complex. So, how to represent a complex data type? So, what is the format of the complex? A complex format is nothing but just like A plus BJ format. What is the A? A is called as a real part. What is a real part? What is the B? Binary part. What is the Z? Z represented with square root of -1. Sir, only A plus BJ format or anything can I give? No, only A plus BJ. Observe here. A equal to 10 plus 3J. Type of A. Complex number. At the time of scientific annotations, we can go through this type of the complex data types. If you want to give a equal to 10 plus 3i, is it a valid? Yes or no? Yes, Likita, yes, sir. Valid. Why it is a valid? What I'm telling, a plus Deepti, maybe in your machine only problem because everyone is giving the response. Voice is clear, my voice, Deepti. Deepti, please check your machine. Problem వస్తే అందరికీ రావాలి, okay? Only in your machine something goes wrong. Again, please reconnect. Disconnect మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వండి. ఇంకా అందరికీ వినిపిస్తుంది వాయిస్ నాది. Vishnuvardhan. IJ are valid for the complex. Who are telling IJ are valid the complex? Observe here. If I enter invalid, J only valid, not I. I is invalid. Only J. The J will be represented with square root of -1. Clear? Only J only valid. I is invalid. Maybe in your BTech at the time of those annotations I is valid. Here no. Only J is the valid one. Deepti, please check your machine. Okay. So now. So at the time of complex, I can use A plus BJ format. A is the real part, B is the imaginary part. So can I give real part, imaginary part floating points like this? 1.5 plus 2.5J. Yes, accepted. Type of A. Yes. Deepti, now clear my voice? Please check your machine, Deepti. So now complex. So I need to give as a real parts and imaginary parts, integer, everything. So now you can tell A equal to 3 plus A equal to 3 plus 0B 1010J. Is it a valid or invalid? Anusha valid, Vishnu invalid. Sir, why 0B1010 means? Valid, valid, valid. Yes, everyone telling valid except one person. Yes, valid. Yes, here it is a, everyone think that 0B1010 means 10. So your answer is 3 plus 10J. Yes? 3 plus 10J. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, it is a invalid. Yes, invalid. Because of, observe now. A equal to 0B1010. If I am provided like this, 0B1010 plus 3J. Now pakka it is a valid. So what is the conclusion here? Real part should be anything. Either you can give decimals or you can give integers, float, boolean, binaries, anything. Observe conclusion I am giving. Real part should be anything. Either you can give decimal or you can give binary or you can give octal or you can give hexadecimal or you can give float. But Imaginary part must and should integer or float only. It does not accept binaries, octals, and hexadecimals. Clear? The real part should be anything. You can give decimal value, binary value, octal value, hexadecimals, or float values. Imaginary part compulsory integer, that to decimal and float value only. It does not accept remaining values. That is the reason in this situation here invalid. Here it is a pakka valid. That is the final conclusion. That suppose I have two values are available there. A equal to 3 plus 1.5j. Integer float, okay, valid pakka. B equal to 4 plus 2.5j. Yes, it is also valid. Sir, is it possible to add these to A plus B? Possible or not possible? If possible, what is the answer? Likita, no. No. Okay. So now observe. A plus bj means, first of all, it is adding the real parts. 3 plus 4, 7. 1.5 plus 1. Relogin అయినా వినిపించడం లేదు సార్. ఎట్లాగా? Sir, now చూడండి. A plus bj. Yes, sir. Valid, it is a pakka. 3 plus 4, 7. 1.5 plus 2.5, 4j. Same like that, if I can give A minus B, yes, that is also possible. Everything is okay, fine, no issues. So suppose I want to give A equal to 10.5 plus 3.6j. In this, I want to ask the real part. A dot real 10.5. B dot, sorry, A dot imaginary part IMAG 6.0. So like that, sir, you need to take your complex. That is the complex data type and example. One second. So that is about our complex data type. Clear about complex? Okay, fine. Next to last data type, str in the fundamentals. Everyone clear about that complex? Now strs are. Yes, okay, fine. Now str. So at the time of str data type, now you can see. If you want to go to that, how to represent str in the Python. Now ch equal to single quotes, yes. Sir, what is the type of ch? What is the type? String. Yes, in any other programming language, the type is character. Because of single quotes values available character, Python there is no character. Type of ch equal to str only. So how to represent the string in the Python? Please tell single quotes. And one more is also available. Observe here. I want to store s equal to double quotes Sunny. What is the type? Type of s. Yes, string only. So what is the second way? Double quotes. And another one is also available. Same thing s equal 1, 2, 3. Triple quotes Sunny. 1, 2, 3. Now you can ask type of s. str only. So 1, 2, 3 triple quotes. 1, 2, 3 triple quotes. Another way is also there. 1, 2, 3 triple double quotes you can provide. 1, 2, 3 triple double quotes. Type of s. Yes. So what are the ways are there? Single quotes, double, triple single, triple tuple. Nothing but a string. Generally, what is the string? Sequence of characters can be represented into one form that is called as a string. Now, sir, suppose I can provide it as a one string s equal to Mahesh ID. I can provide it there. Sir, I can ask s of 0. What is the value I will get? S of 0, because each character contains index positions. Sir, every index is started with 0 onwards. Observe here carefully. String is nothing but sequence of characters. M, A, H, E, S, H. ఒక స్పేస్ ఇచ్చాను. I, T అనుకుందాం. Now M started with 0. A position 1, H position 2, E position 3, 4, 5, 6th లో స్పేస్ ఉంది, 7 లో I ఉంది, 8 లో T ఉంది. That is the positions. If I'm asking s of 0, what is I will get? M I will get. If I'm asking s of 6, space I will get. If I'm asking s of E, 3 I am getting. So each character contains string position. Observe s of 0 M, s of 3 E, s of 6 nothing because of empty. Mahesh IT, one space is available, that is also one character. So each string contains index positions. Sir, suppose if I am asking s of 10, what I will get? Please respond. S of 10 invalid. Okay, 10th position is not there. We will getting a index error, string index out of range, because the maximum index is 8 only. So I will get index out of range error I am getting. So suppose if I am asking s of -1, now you can tell what is the output. ఇప్పుడు invalid Chaitanya. S of -1 not in danger. -1 remaining people S of -1. Yeah, Naresh, okay. Remaining will I get నిద్రపోతున్నారా ప్రశాంతంగా? Invalid. Entity T. Index starts with 0. Very good, excellent. So index started with 0. That's why Chaitanya answer is the invalid. No, -1 is nothing but T will come. How means, sir, every programming language index will be started with 0 onwards. Only positive indexes are available. But whereas here Python, it is a careful about that. Okay, 0. Okay, I am agree. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, perfect. How -1 means, sir, minus indexes are coming with right to left. Ante first -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. దాన్ని బట్టి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి పొజిషన్స్. So what is the T position? -1. What is the I position? -2. H position is -3. Like that, right to left. So every programming contain only positive indexes. అట్లా థింక్ చేయండి జాగ్రత్తగా. ఓకే, హెచ్ లో స్పేస్ కాబట్టి సార్ -3 లో స్పేస్ ఉంటుంది, 4 లో ఇది ఉంటుంది, 5 లో ఇది ఉంటుంది. ఇట్లా జాగ్రత్త అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ ఏమో 0 నుంచి తీసుకోండి. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. అబ్జర్వ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను రన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఐ విల్ గెట్? S of -1 T, S of -2. నేను డయాగ్రామ్ బట్టి ఏమొస్తుంది? -2 I వస్తుంది. అదిగోండి. S of -3 ఏం లేదు, క్యారెక్టర్ ఎంటీ. S of -9 M వస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్. సో every programming language will be getting only positive indexes, that is left to right. Negative indexes are right to left. So Python contains both positive index and as well as negative index also. Another program language does not contain these type of facility. Positive indexes are considered from left to right. Negative indexes are considered from right to left. That is about the positives and negative indexes. So positives are forward direction, negatives are backward direction. So in the string there is one excellent operator is there, slice operator. Sir, generally what is the meaning of the slice? Slice. Have you ever heard about this slice? మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా విన్నారా slice? What about if you have more than 10 words? More than 10 words means Likita means S of -10, -11 like that. Likita. If I'm asking S of -10, index out of range లేదు కదా, up to -9 వరకు ఉంది కాబట్టి ఓకే ఫైన్. ఇదిగో if I'm asking S of -10, అది లేదు కాబట్టి ఇండెక్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ రేంజ్. ఆ ఉన్న పొజిషన్ వరకు తీసుకుంటుంది అంతే. క్లియర్? if I'm give like this, yes, if how many are there, it will take S equal to, yes, no issues. మహేష్ దాసరి. ఇప్పుడు కన్సిడర్ చేసుకో జాగ్రత్తగా. లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 తీసుకో. అక్కడ నుంచి -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, 9 ఉంది కాబట్టి పొజిషన్ తీసుకుంటది. -10 పొజిషన్ జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయి. అదిగో ఈ ఉంది అంటే లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి రైట్ ఎన్ని వర్డ్స్ అని ఉండొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు టేక్ లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు 0 నుంచి నెంబర్లు వేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళటం అప్ టు లాస్ట్ వరకు. రైట్ నుంచి వచ్చి -1, -2, -3 తీసుకుంటూ రావాలి. ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అని క్యారెక్టర్స్. ఇప్పుడు నా లెటర్లు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 చూడు. S of -13 అన్నా, ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ M. S of -14 అన్నా, అది లేదు కాబట్టి ఎర్రర్. అట్లాగా నువ్వు పాజిటివ్ తీసుకుంటే లెఫ్ట్ తో జీరోతో స్టార్ట్ నెంబర్స్ వేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళటమే 0 1 2 3 4 5 ఎంత వరకు ఉంటే అన్ని లెటర్స్ వరకు. లెఫ్ట్ లోంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంటే రైట్ నుంచి -1 -1 వరకు తీసుకుంటూ రావాలి. సో నౌ స్లైస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్లైస్? జనరల్ గా స్లైస్ మీన్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా విన్నారా? స్లైస్ అంటే గబుక్కున్న స్లైస్ అంటే అదే అనుకున్నారు మళ్ళీ. మాజా స్లైస్, నాట్ లైక్ దట్. థమ్స్ అప్, స్లైస్, మాజా. స్లైస్ మీన్స్ ఏ పీస్. సపోజ్ జస్ట్ నో మహేష్ ఐటీ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఇన్ దిస్ మహేష్ ఐటీ నాకు ఓన్లీ ఎంఏ వరకు కావాలి. పీస్ అంటే ఒక పీస్ కావాలి. ఓన్లీ ఐ వాంట్ ఎంఏ వరకు కావాలి. లేదు హెచ్ఈ వరకు కావాలి. లేదు ఎంఏ హెచ్ఈ కావాలి. నో ఎస్హెచ్ వరకు కావాలి. లేదు హెచ్ఐటి కావాలి. నో ఎస్హెచ్ఐటి కావాలి. కాదు ఓన్లీ స్పేస్ ఐటీ కావాలి. సో a piece by piece I want to take, then I can go for the slice. Slice means a piece. Suppose నేను ఒక యాపిల్ ఇచ్చాను అనుకోండి. How to eat that apple? We have to cut the piece by piece apple and we can eat it one by one. Same like that here also. I don't want entire string. I don't want index. I can go for the piece by piece. That is called as a slice. In the Python square brackets colon, this one is called as a slice operator. So every string compulsory started with 0 index only. So the index may be positive or negative, anything you can go for. Positive means left to right వెళ్తాం, negative means right to left వస్తాం అంతవరకే. Suppose if I am taking ఇక్కడ స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ తీసేటప్పుడు we can give like this. First begin position ఇవ్వాలి, అంటే where I need to start, colon where I want to end. Then you will get string begin to not end to -1. ఎండ్ నుంచి -1 వరకు వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. అంటే సపోజ్ చూడండి, సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ విల్ డిస్కస్. అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ పొజిషన్ ఐఎమ్ స్పెసిఫైయింగ్, ఎండింగ్ పొజిషన్ ఐఎమ్ స్పెసిఫైయింగ్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ స్టార్టింగ్ టు ఎండింగ్. స్టార్టింగ్ టు ఎండ్ -1 వరకే వస్తుంది స్ట్రింగ్ లో. ఎస్సి ఈక్వల్ టు మహేష్ స్పేస్ ఐటీ ఆఫీసర్. ఎస్ ఆఫ్ 0:5. ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఐ విల్ గెట్? సార్ స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ వెరీ వెరీ డేంజరస్ ఆపరేటర్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆల్సో. ఇన్ ద సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఆల్సో దీని మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. తర్వాత వి విల్ డిస్కస్. నేను కేస్ స్టడీ ఇస్తాను, ఎవరు ఎంతవరకు బాగా చేస్తారు చూస్తారు. దాని మీద జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు అడగండి. సార్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ ఎస్ ఆఫ్ 0,5 అంటే 0 నుంచి 5 ఏమొస్తుంది అవుట్పుట్? మహేష్ మహేష్ మహేష్. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఓన్లీ 2 members are telling. Anusha wrong, Deepthi correct, Lita wrong, Chaitanya wrong, Naresh wrong, Vishnuvardhan wrong. Only 1 person giving correct answer. Malika wrong, Anusha MAHE. Anusha wrong. Sir observe what I am telling. 0 to నేను ఏం చెప్పాను ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. బిగిన్ టు ఎండ్ ఇచ్చాను, బిగిన్ టు ఎండ్ -1 వరకు వస్తుందని చెప్తున్నా. అంటే సార్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ బిగిన్ 0 అంటే మా ఎం నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సార్ ఎండ్ వాల్యూ ఎంత 5 ఇచ్చాను, ఎండ్ -1 అంటే ఎంత 4 అంటే 0 1 2 3 4 MAHES వరకే వస్తుంది, నాట్ హెచ్. సో హూ ఈస్ టెలింగ్ MAHES? దీప్తి కరెక్ట్. అందరూ కూడా మహేష్ 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 అన్నారు. నో అండి, జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. మీరేంటంటే 0 to 5. సో 0 to end -1 అంటే 5 - 1 4 వరకే వస్తుంది. అనుష ఇవర్ కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ 1 2 3 4, అందుకే MAHE అని రాసి మహి అని. ఇండెక్స్ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ 0 కదా, 0 to 4. ఏమండి క్లియరా? ఇఫ్ యూ హావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ నౌ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఓన్లీ, ఐ విల్ క్లారిఫై. ఇప్పుడు 0 to 6 అన్నా, అప్పుడు 0 to 6 - 1 అంటే 0 నుంచి 5 వరకు, అంటే 0 1 2 3 4 5. నౌ మహేష్ విల్ కమ్. రిమైనింగ్ హూ ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ ప్రీవియస్ ఆన్సర్స్? లిఖిత, చైతన్య, నరేష్, క్లియర్? You can take first letters, take the indexes, then consider everything. Okay, fine. Sorry, now observe carefully. So if I'm giving 0 to 6, 0 నుంచి n - 1 5 వచ్చింది. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి. నేను ఎనీ డౌట్? సార్ ఎస్ ఆఫ్ 0 to 6 ఇస్తున్నానండి. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గివింగ్ ద బిగిన్ పొజిషన్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఐ విల్ గెట్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ valid or invalid? Valid అయితే what is the output I will get? What is the output? మరి ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గివెన్ ద బిగిన్ పొజిషన్. బిగిన్ ఇవ్వలేదు నేను. Sir, here observe carefully. Yes, if I'm not provided any begin value, no problem. Sir, every string should be started with what is the index? Every index position 0 or not? Yes, so it is considered to 0 to 6 - 1. Mahesh will come. So in case of the slice operator, first conclusion, begin is mandatory or optional? Please tell. Begin is optional or not? Yes, optional. If you are not providing anything, by default begin will be 0. Sir, what about end? End optional la compulsory na? Deepti, okay. Remaining end. End is Manusha telling compulsory. Okay, done. Sorry, chudu. Now I am given yes of 8 colon. నేనేమి ఇవ్వట్లేదు. So what is the 8th index? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 8 and very last correct అయిపోయింది. సరే 5 ఇద్దాం. 5 colon ఇచ్చాను. సరే 5 ఇండెక్స్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఏంటిది? 0 1 2 3 4. హెచ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సో హెచ్ షుడ్ బి స్టార్టెడ్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ ఎనీ ఎండ్ పొజిషన్. నేనేమి ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి అంటిల్ ద లాస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ హెచ్ స్పేస్ ఐటీ హిట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. So now you can tell end is the optional, compulsory? Anusha and Likita. Yes, the end is also no problem. Until the last it is taking. If I'm not providing anything starting, it is considered 0. If I'm not providing anything until the end string I am getting. Sorry, fine. Now anyone tell, is it a valid? Asal begin end ఇవ్వట్లా. Now is it a valid or invalid? Both remove చేశాను. Vishnuvardhan telling empty, Chaitanya telling some answer, Mohan telling invalid, Deepti telling complete, Naresh telling valid. What is output? I am asking. Valid, okay. Yes, sir. Here 2 are available there. Yes, very good. Here begin I am not provided anything, so begin will take from the 0. End I am not provided anything, until end I am getting. So Mahesh Shetty we will get. So who is telling the complete string? That is the correct answer. Not empty. Someone is telling empty. No, he is telling empty. Vishnuvardhan, not empty, because of by default starting value what it is? 0. What is the end value? Until last. So 0 to last means complete string. Yes, clear? Sir, you can practice it, okay? Later I will give one excellent exercise and some questions. You can tell those answers. ఇది ఇప్పుడు అయిపోలా, జస్ట్ ఇది ఓన్లీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద టైటిల్స్ అబౌట్ ద స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్. అసలు సినిమా ముందుంది దీనికి. సింపుల్ అనుకోకుండా దీన్ని అప్పుడే Okay, sir, -1 to -1 valid invalid. అడుగుదాం ఏదో చెప్పిద్దిగా. Sir, who is Manish is asking one doubt. Yes, of -1 colon -9. మీరు చెప్పండి valid invalid, దాన్ని బట్టి నేను చెప్తాను. Remaining guys, s of -1 -9. అయ్యో -9 కాదు, ఇక్కడ అన్ని వాల్యూస్ లేవు కదా. -1 ఉన్నాయి. Deepti telling valid. Okay, done. What is the output? Deepti, output, what is the output? You are telling valid output to Mahesh ID. Wrong. ఏమండి -1 to -9 అసలు మహేష్ రెడ్డి ఎలా వస్తుంది? అది అటు నుంచి ఇటు రావాలి కదా, రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్. Remaining people, -1 to -9. Someone is asking, Manisha is asking. IHESHAM. Wow, very good. TIHESH. Oh. No. It is valid only, but we are getting empty string, no string. Observe. No, empty string we will get. Don't think too much. I will tell why it is coming empty. Observe. I executed already. Empty string came. Sir, ఎప్పుడు కూడా పాజిటివ్ ఇండెక్సెస్ మీన్స్ స్టార్టింగ్ షుడ్ బి ద లెస్ వాల్యూ, నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూ షుడ్ బి హై వాల్యూ. సార్ నెగిటివ్స్ మీన్స్ -9 పెద్దదా -1 పెద్దదా? -1 పెద్దది నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ లో, నాట్ -9. సో ఎప్పుడైనా లేవాలి స్లైసింగ్, ఎస్ లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ టు హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఇవ్వాలి. మీరు ఏం చేశారు? హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ టు లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారు. సో హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్? నో. అర్థమైందా? దీనికి ఇంకా ఉందండి కాన్సెప్ట్. ఐ విల్ టెల్ internally, so much concept is there slice operator. I will tell, wait some time after some concepts. అదే నేను ఇట్లా ఇచ్చాను అనుకోండి, -9 to -4 some more valid. సో హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ టు లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ, అలాగే లీస్ట్ టు హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనం కింద తప్పు చేసాం, మనం హైయెస్ట్ టు లీస్ట్ ఇచ్చేసాము, -9 అట్లా ఇవ్వాలి. సో దీని గురించి నేను చెప్తాను, డోంట్ బాదర్ అబౌట్ దట్. ఇంకా ముందు సెషన్ లో ఒక 1 day కంప్లీట్ వి విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ది స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్. ఓకే, ప్రజెంట్ ఓన్లీ బిగిన్ వాల్యూ ఎండ్ వాల్యూ. సార్ నేను ఒకవేళ ఎలా ఇచ్చాను, 2 colons ఇచ్చాను, ఈజ్ ఇట్ వ్యాలిడ్ ఆర్ ఇన్వాలిడ్? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఎనీవన్ ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. డబుల్ కాలన్స్ ఇచ్చా, ఎర్రర్ చూపించాలి కదా సార్, బట్ అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. నో, స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ నెవర్ గివ్ ఎర్రర్. నరేష్, స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ నెవర్ గివ్ ఎర్రర్. స్ట్రింగ్ ఉంటే ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ ద స్ట్రింగ్. ఇఫ్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్, ఎంప్టీ. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ బిహేవియర్. స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ నెవర్ గివ్ ఎర్రర్. Deepti, you are telling valid. What is the output I will get? Double colon valid or invalid? Ayyo, valid. What is the output? Mahesh Shetty will be repeated 2 times. Likita, you are telling Mahesh Shetty will come output. How? What is the meaning of 2 colons? Bhagya, invalid. Sir, here S of colon means, double colon means it is a valid. I will get the step will be take as, sir, it is taking as a complete string value, it is provided. So what is the reason behind there? Means observe. In the slice operator, another behavior is also there. How it is means, sir, first of all, what I am given, begins are colon, end, colon. Next one is the step. So begin means starting value, end means end value, step is nothing but increment value. Every time how much values I can incremented. Sir, by default begin is 0, end is until the last, step means by default 1. If I'm not providing anything, 1 I will get. For suppose, observe in this example only, s of 0 colon 8 colon 2 ఇచ్చాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే 0 to 7, but every time increment 2. So first 0 position, next 2, 4, 6, like that you will get. Observe M, H, S. If I'm not providing 2, 1 by 1 value. So third position step is also optional. That's why whenever step is optional, begin optional, colon, end optional, colon, step optional. That is the meaning of a double colon. So begin option kabatti 0, end option kabatti last. By default step value 1. If I am given step value, based on that I will get. If I am given 2, every time increment should be the 2 I will get. Clear? That's why I will getting as a complete string. Yeah, see here, first begin value, next time provided end value, next time provided step. If you're not providing anything, by default begin value 0, end means until the last, step means what is the every time increment, by default step value 1. For suppose, observe here, s of 0 colon 8 colon 1 అంటే 0 to end minus 1 7, every time 1 is increment అంటే first 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 will come, Mahesh space I. Same thing if I'm asking 0 colon 8 colon 2, what is the meaning of the 2? This time increment to 2, so first 0 position will be printed M, next 0 plus 2 2 means H, next S, next space. If I'm given s of 0 colon 8 colon 3, this time increment 3, first 0 M, next 1 0 1 2, third position E, next position, like that it will be printed. Third value should be the step. How many values can be incremented? If I'm not provide anything step, by default 1 is the increment. So 3 are optional, that's why I removed. First time not provided begin, not providing end, colon, starting to ending. Now okay? Yeah, you can practice it. Once you can practice, if you have any doubts, I will clarify. Yeah, default step value 1, yes. Colon colon means that is only every time 1 is incremented, starting to end value I am getting. By default value ikkada chudandi, starting value I am not providing anything 0, end value until the last, by default step is the 1. If I am not providing 1 also, no problem. Observe here, s of 0 sorry colon colon 1, what is the meaning? First to last, s of colon colon first to last, step is optional. If you want to give 1, otherwise also no problem. Yes or no? Step is optional. If you want to provide that, you can give, otherwise no problem. By default value it will be taken as a 1 only. Sir, suppose is it a valid? Colon colon minus 1, colon colon minus 1. valid. Sorry, what is the output? Colon colon -1. Valid or invalid? What is the output I will get? Colon colon -1. No output. First of all, valid or invalid? Valid. What is the output? T. Very good. Deepthi, invalid. Wrong. When you will get a T, if I'm given S of -1, then only T. Here it is a slice operator. If I'm asking directly, observe Vishnu. If I'm asking directly like this, -1 means index position I'm asking, then T. But careful about I am using as a slice operator, colon colon -1. Now it is taken from the reverse order, last to first. Positive index means left to right. Negative index means right to left. Suppose if I'm asking S of 0 colon 10,000, valid or invalid? Zero to 10,000. Invalid. Why? Invalid. Sorry, index error. Yes, very good. Wrong, because here directly I'm not accessing the index position. Okay. So 0 to 10,000 I'm asking, but 10,000 index is not there. Until how many values are there, those many it is taking. So 0 to last complete value I will get. Just now I'm telling na slice operator never give index error. What is I'm asking? Last position 10,000. So 10,000 is not there. How many are there? Those many. Suppose S of 5 colon 100. 5 started ending 100. So 100 position is not there. How many are available? Those many it is taking. H space IT. Slice operator never give error. Output of invalid it is a. What is the S of? Compulsory colon is required. Colon means slice operator. What it is? S of square brackets, close brackets, nothing. Slice operator means colon mandatory. What I am telling. If I can give colon, then only it is a slice operator. Without colon, empty means invalid. That is it. Don't bother about that. Present you can practice all these. Later on one full session I will take about this. I will use some assignment also, and I will open some certification questions, and we will discuss about these things at the time of STR data type. Present this is basic introduction only. Don't think that completed. It won't completed. Still concept is there. Okay, that is the slice operator. Sir, suppose if I am given S star 3, is it a valid? S contains Mahesh ID. I am asking S star 3. Is it valid or invalid? No. Valid. Valid. Star is nothing but repetition. So S contains Mahesh IT. S star 3 means Mahesh IT will be repeated 3 times. So that is about our fundamental data types story completed. So this is slice operator, just basic only, okay? Later on I will tell complete story about that. So integer completed, float, boolean, complex, and str completed. In that basic introduction part about the slice operator is completed. S star means repetition operator. So after that, whatever the collection data types. If you want to store single values, single objects, then I can go for fundamental. At the time of collection data types, different data types are available there, like list, tuple. These two are one category. Range, set, frozen set, bytes, byte array, dict, 9. These are called as a collection. Means multiple objects I want to store into single entity, then I can go for the collection data types. Sir, previously we discussed about the base conversion functions here. Base conversions means one base to another base, bin, OCT, hexadecimal, like that. Same like that. Next we need to go to the before collection data types. A small topic is there. That is also very important. Typecasting. Or type coercion. Typecasting means one type to another type. Integer to string, string to integer, boolean to integer, boolean to complex. So tomorrow, first I will tell about this typecasting concept. After that, I want to go to this collection data types. Then data types is over. But complete data types are, sir, S plus 3 means will it point to any invalid? Yes, invalid. Because of observe here. I will tell that also why it is invalid. I am given some Mahesh. Yes, plus 3. In Java, it is the valid. Python invalid. At the time of plus operator, you can use both strings. Suppose yes plus 3. Now 3 is a string double quotes. Mahesh 3 will get. I will tell that one also. S plus 3 is the invalid. Because the plus operator will be taken, both integers or both strings only. One string, one integer is invalid. Same like that star. Star will be accepted one string, one integer. If I can use both strings, both integers, invalid. So whenever